Good morning. I am very pleased to announce that Biocon has delivered another robust set of numbers. I am delighted that we have beaten street estimates. We have delivered a 23% year-on-year growth and on the quarterly basis we have certainly done extremely well. We have had a very good set of numbers considering the fact that we had very little licensing income this quarter, and we are pleased that we have also at a 9-monthly level, the group has delivered a 23% year-on-year growth from about 1500 crores to 1900 crores. This is also factoring in the increased R&D spend, which has accounted for in terms of our overall business at a level of 141 crores, 121 crores, a 44% increase over the last year for the same period. Our of course, material and power costs have also increased 20%, given the depreciating rupee, which has pushed up our imports. Power costs also have gone up significantly as a response to increased power costs in general. Our staffing costs also have increased, and this basically reflects the increased recruitment that we have seen over the last 9 months. Despite these increased additions, I am delighted to say that we have delivered a very strong set of numbers. Our business overall has done extremely well across all verticals. Our research services business continues to drive strong growth. We have grown 34% over the last 9 months. Our biopharma business particularly has done extremely well. We have grown 17% at a year-on-year level. And within this, I am very pleased to say that our insulins in rest of the world markets have actually grown extremely well. Branded formulations have also delivered on a year-on-year basis a 34% growth. I'm very confident that we will deliver steady and good growth across all verticals, and I'm confident that we will finish this year on a very strong note. On other fronts, you can see that our increased R&D investments is also reflecting important milestones that we have reached. The recent approval of our novel biologic, the anti-CD6 itolizumab, is basically an endorsement of the rich dividends that we are going to accrue by investing in R&D. So our R&D model is beginning to pay off. We believe that the investment made in itolizumab development thus far for India development itself will be paid back to us over the next 4 years. We also expect this asset to now look at global advancement, which also means that this particular approval enhances the asset value of this potentially global drug. And in terms of our insulins portfolio, we have concluded our 1-year evaluation trial for immunogenicity for recombinant human insulin. So we expect to be compiling and getting our dossier ready for marketing approval for Europe. So that's a very important trigger for us. We are all set to start phase 3 global trials for our insulin glargine, having successfully completed our phase 1 PK/PD study for the same drug. And this is also a very important event for us. We will do this as soon as we complete certain regulatory discussions with US FDA. Overall, I think we are making very good progress. Our trastuzumab, the biosimilar product that we are developing with Mylan for metastatic breast cancer, also has entered phase 3 global trials and is also ongoing in terms of its Indian trials, which are making good progress. We expect the trials to be completed by the end of this year, and we hope to enter the Indian market with a biosimilar trastuzumab in 2014. So overall, I think our R&D pipeline is making very satisfactory progress, and we are very confident that people will begin to believe very strongly in our R&D driven strategy. The biopharmaceutical business, the small molecules business, which is at this stage largely an API business, is also performing very strongly across both developed and emerging markets based on the statins and immunosuppressants portfolios that we have. So we see the future being extremely robust. As you know, we have shaped our business into key verticals, and each one of these verticals is beginning to deliver and fire on all cylinders. So I think we are very poised for a good growth period looking ahead. Thank you.